In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize the Salesforce Data Import Wizard through the Dream Efficiency 5303 Lightning.Force COM interface. Let's dive right in to get started on this insightful journey. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head straight to the Salesforce homepage. You can reach this by entering the URL Dream Efficiency 5303 lightning.force.com/lightning page home. Once you arrive at this familiar dashboard, find your way to the Quick Settings button, which you will easily locate in the upper segment of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options, but our focus is the link to Open the Advanced Setup. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup, it's time to search for Data Import in the search bar that's typically nestled on the left-hand panel. Entering this phrase will guide you to the Data Import Wizard link. Clicking on that will bring you to the main area where the data magic begins. This is your gateway to importing massive amounts of important data in a streamlined way. The next step is to click on Import My Data. This functionality allows you to start the process by selecting the types of records you plan to import. After that, you'll see the Start button. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the Wizard's program, setting the wheels in motion for a smooth data import experience. Now you're going to be asked to choose the types of records you're aiming to import. Specifically, people and companies that you've identified as potential customers. By clicking on this option, you're ensuring the wizard is set up correctly to handle your specific dataset. Once selected, hit Next to advance. At this point, you should now specify your data source. In this example, you'll have a .csv file containing your leads ready to go. Selecting I have a .csv file allows you to proceed with uploading the file in which your data is stored. This is an important step, so make sure your file is prepared and accurate. Once the file is queued, click Next again. Then you'll see the prompt to upload files. Simply drag and drop your .csv file into this area, or locate it manually through your File Explorer. Once uploaded, press Next. This confirms your file is ready to be processed. To wrap up your data import, click Import. The system will then work its magic, incorporating your data into Salesforce's comprehensive ecosystem. If during any part of this process you need to stop the import, you can simply click Discard. Otherwise, upon completion, just click Done to finish up. And there you have it. A streamlined process for importing data into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. This tool is a game changer for managing your contacts and streamlining client interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.